Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to your second lesson of geography of grade 8. This is unit 4, forest, from your book The Environment of Pakistan. Before starting the lesson, let's watch a video that is about the forests which are rustling a whisper to you. So let's listen to their whisper. Forests are very important for the survival of not only human beings but for all the living organisms because they are the friends of all living community on the planet Earth. So, forests are very important from an ecological point of view because they provide natural habitat for all wildlife. They also check pollution on and clean the environment, as well as forests ensure food supply to population by protecting soil fertility. Forests also prevent soil erosion. They also regulate water supply to rivers to reduce flooding, and forests regulate water supply to reservoirs. Forests are very important from a commercial and industrial point of view because they provide recreational opportunities to humankind. Forests also provide employment to those people who work in forest-based industries. Many plants and herbs and shrubs are used for medicinal purposes in pharmaceutical industries. Forests also supply many kinds of fruits. Raw material for wood-based industries is also provided by forests. Timber for transport vehicles is also supplied from forests like railway tracks. Timber for construction purposes is also supplied from forest. For example, in construction of home, we can observe that we use forest wood in doors, windows, and many industries like furniture industry use forest wood on different scales. Interception refers to precipitation that does not reach to the soil. It is intercepted by the leaves, branches of plants and the forest floor. So it means that interception of rainfall is a process through which the water is captured by plant canopies or litter before it hits the soil surface. Now we will study about the humus. Humus is such a substance that is the organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of leaves and other plant material by soil microorganisms. So it increases the soil fertility. The tree line is a line or altitude above which no trees grow. Snow line is the boundary between a snow-covered and snow-free surface. So, the line on mountains above which there is perpetual snow. Perpetual snow means permanent snow. So, it means the altitude in a particular place, specifically in mountains, above which some snow remains on the ground throughout the year as permanent snow. Students, now we will discuss types and distribution of forests with reference to altitude. As we are observing in this diagram also that in areas above the snow line there is hardly any vegetation and alpine forests grow just below the snow line. From 1000 to 4000 meters coniferous forests are found and below 4000 meters only irrigated plantations have good species of wood. Student, this is time for worksheet. The worksheet is in front of you. Question number 1 is about the picture which is of a forest. You will observe the picture and answer the following question. Question number 1 is, forests are important in many different ways. You need to discuss the importance of forests from an ecological point of view. We have discussed these points in our video lesson. You can take help from video lesson as well as you can take help from your book to write the answer to this question. Next question is, forests are extensive continuous areas of land dominated by trees. You will tell that how forests are important from a commercial and industrial point of view. The next question is, study the given figure and answer the following questions. Here is a diagram of interception of rainfall. You will briefly describe the concept of interception of rainfall. Question number 2 is, study the given figures, that is of humus, tree line and snow line. We have discussed all these three terms in our video lesson. One by one, you will answer the question that what is humus and what do you know about tree line and snow line. Last question is, discuss the types and distribution of forests with reference to altitude. You will write over here about the distribution of forests as well as types of forests which change according to change in height. As we move upward in higher altitudes to the mountainous areas, the types and distribution of forest will change. Thank you so very much, students. Have a very nice day. Allah Hafiz.